Hey everyone, Lisa asked me to hop on real quick. She was chatting during our presentation of the mini loaves and you were loving them. She asked for you to share some of the things you've done with them, some of the things that you want to do with them. So thank you for that. We called out Carol. I didn't want to use your last name, Carol, just for privacy purposes, obviously, but thank you, Carol, for your ideas about what you're going to be doing with your granddaughter. I think that is so sweet. Hey, Mary Miller. Hey, Megan, how are you? Doing a little after show. Wow, did you guys just love that? So thank you. Plaid, well, you were loving the plaid, loving the polka dot, of course, loving all the new, and of course, getting your holidays. So nice. Hello, everyone. Hi, Carmela. Hi, Stephanie. Noelle. Hi. I have 5 sets of mini loaves. Oh, and you have to tell us what you use them for, Noelle. Would love to know. So we didn't get through all of the food since it was so quick, and I just wanted to show you because I have to say, look at what our stylist did with this train. They actually baked 4 individual loaf pans and then iced them and put a little chocolate down for the wheels. Is that adorable? You could do that multiple ways. Hey, Rosalia, how are you? Hi, Dia. Hi, Angela. Hi, Julie. But you could do these seasons. You could do different toppers for candy. This could become one of those traditions that you always do with your grandkids, and we did it in our mini loaf pans. This, to me, is why I created it. To give your Christmas breads, to give your fruit cakes, to give your gingerbread cakes, to give your peppermint bark or your peppermint cakes that you always make. 4 great gifts, 4 great gift boxes, 4 great snap-on storage covers. Make these so versatile, whether you're baking in them, whether you're doing something cute in them, or let's talk about centertaining ideas. Use these as your centerpieces. Put some crumbled peppermint candies. You could put the Today's Special Value candle in there, the flameless candle. You could have real candles. You could put flowers in here. And now you have a 4 mini loaves going down the table with 4 different looks of flowers. We did a little succulent garden here, and we actually did them as cute little powder room or gifts if you wanted to give them as gifts. So this doesn't have to be only for people who love to bake and cook. These can be for great ideas. And this was one that a customer shared with us when we first debuted this. She keeps 2 at the end of the table and she has her gravy in it. 2 at the end of the table and she has her relish in it. She loves that it can keep things cold, so she does her apps. She puts out her celery and her carrots. And by the way, full disclosure, growing up, whenever we had pizza, my mom always felt like it wasn't really a full meal unless there were veggies. So we always had celery, carrots, and olives. She's like, I'm the only mother that puts out celery, carrots, and olives when the kids are eating pizza. But hey, what are you gonna do? So anyway, I love that this is part of that great idea. But here's the deal, and here's what's special about today. Everything on QVC is on 6 payments, which means these individual bakers are $6 a piece. They're $24 for 4, $6 a piece. That's amazing, which means your easy pay is basically $4 a month. You know, I very rarely hop on here and tell you that, but this is such an incredible deal that if you are thinking about these, don't wait, because I can't guarantee that they'll come back on 6 pay, which is incredible. Okay, so just a quick reminder, turning it around. We have our polka dots, we have our plaids, we have our holiday versions, which we're so excited about. Melissa Fleming. Oh, Melissa, did you see my bracelet, my friend? If you haven't heard about Melissa and the Sonder House, you should check it out. I am uber honored to be wearing this bracelet today. Here is your harvest, and then there is your classic choice. And did I hear Mark Charles? Here, take a quick walk with me really quick. I just want to say hi to Mark Charles, who's launching his cookbook in an hour?
Yep, let me know. Hi guys, how are you?
Hey, are we cute together? I love this guy. You gotta check out his book. It is amazing. You will love it. 150 great recipes that I gotta tell you. If you ever have the honor of being invited to one of MC's dinner parties, boom. They're fun. Okay, so just wanted to hop on and let you know all of that. And here's the fun and excitement going on backstage as we are getting ready to say goodbye. Stacy in the Cook Nook. Stacy in the Cook Nook. Hey, friend. She's the best, by the way, but you already knew that. So that is it. Just super excited. Loving that you love the mini loves. Love that you love the plaid and the polka dot. I mean, let's be honest. I never know if it's going to be something that you absolutely love, and you absolutely love it. So thank you, thank you. Let us know what you're going to make in it. Share your pictures with it, and if you love that recipe, that mac and cheese loaf, go over to our Facebook page, Temp-tations by Tara McConnell Tesher, and check out the recipe because we're going to share it with you. It's that yummy and easy. All right, everybody, happy Sunday. I am actually headed to some friends for Rosh Hashanah dinner tonight. We are celebrating with some friends, so I'm very excited about that. And wishing all of you a lovely Sunday. And I will talk to all of you soon. Take care. Enjoy each other. Bye.